Hey there, my name is Hugh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Trading Heroes simple backtesting spreadsheet. Now, I don't know about you, but over the years I've downloaded several backtesting worksheets. Some of them said that they were simple, but when you open them up, they really aren't. There are like a ton of settings, and if you mess up one field, it throws off the whole worksheet. So over the years, I've whittled down my manual backtesting worksheet, and this is what I have come up with. Now, the spreadsheet is great because it gives you all of the basic stats that you want without all of the fluff. So this is great for beginners because it's not intimidating. You don't have to learn a new software. You don't have to set up a bunch of things. Just open the spreadsheet and go. This is also great for more advanced traders if you want to quickly test a trading idea. So let's say that you want to test a concept and you have some simple parameters that you can test out. Then you can just open this spreadsheet, put in the results for each trade, and then you can see how it pans out. This spreadsheet can be used in any market: crypto, forex, stocks, futures, whatever you trade. All right, so let's jump into the spreadsheet and see how it works. The only thing you're really going to be filling out is the result field here. Now, if you want to add some other things to the right, like the date, if you're day trading, maybe you want to add the time that the trade was entered, and then maybe a notes field or whatever you want to add, but that's totally optional. What you're going to get from me is just this right here. And this will give you the win rate, number of wins, number of losses, and then the running total of your test. So let's take a look at some actual trades and I'll show you how to fill out the spreadsheet. So in this test, I am testing the London breakout strategy. So basically I'm drawing a box around the period before the London open, and then I'm going to have a buy stop at the top of the box and a sell stop at the bottom. Whichever one gets triggered first, I take that trade, cancel the other one. And then for this test, I'm going to set a 1R profit target. So the stop loss for a buy trade in this example would go down here at the other side of the box. So I'm looking for an equal number of pips to set a profit target above the box. So I want to see how many times does this strategy hit the 1R profit target. That's my question. Now, if this test comes out positive, then I can start to test some iterations and go a little bit deeper in the actual backtesting software. But right now, I just want to do a quick and dirty test. I want to figure out how many times does price hit the 1R profit target after breaking out of the box. So in this example, it obviously did not hit the 1R profit target, and I'm just going to close trades out at the end of the day. So this is a day trading strategy. I'm just going to close it out at the end of the day. And even if there was a little bit of profit, I'm not going to worry about it. I just want to see how many times did it hit 1R. All right, so for this first trade, I'm going to bring out the spreadsheet. I'm just going to enter this in R. You can use percentages. I would not recommend using dollar amounts, pip values, or point values because that doesn't really tell you much about how much you risked per trade. But percentage values and R values are good things to put in the result field. So in this case, I'm just going to keep things simple, and I'm going to put in a -1 R just to show that it didn't hit the 1R profit target, and I'm assuming that this is a loser. So now I'm going to go on to the next trade. And then I'm going to take a look at it, and visually I can see, okay, this is close. I'm going to have to measure. So I'm going to go here, and that's going to be about 65 pips or so. And did it make this 65? No, it's about 63 pips or so. So that didn't make it either. So this is going to be a -1. Okay, then I'm going to move the chart forward. Oops, I think I missed it. Yeah, okay, so that one didn't make it. So this one obviously made it, so that's a +1, right? And then I'm gonna go to the next one, and that obviously hit the profit target, so that's a +1. And then is there one more example? Yes, and that one, it entered a short here, and then it got stopped out here, so that's also a -1. Okay, so I hope you can see how that speeds up the process. Instead of having to set the stop loss and the take profit and all that blah, 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 you can just see the result as one number here. So in this quick test, there are 2 wins, 3 losses for a win rate of 40%. And then you have a running total, which is in R in this case. So right now, the biggest drawdown is going to be 2R because this will take the smallest number, which is the biggest drawdown in this column. And that's it. In reality, that's all you really need to know to do a quick and dirty back test. Now, again, this is not one of those complex ones where you can see every single metric. No, this is the opposite of that. This is the simplest backtesting worksheet that you can use. And as a quick reminder, be sure to have a trading plan written down. If you don't have the trading plan worksheet, click on the button below and I'll send you both the backtesting worksheet and this trading plan worksheet. so that you can have everything you need to do your first backtest immediately. All right, I'm excited for you and I want to find out how your backtest went, so let me know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.